Is that an actual explosion of the rocket?
Cause a company to deorbit a satellite.
But if you're working on rocket technology, that's considered an advanced weapons technology.
In the world of space exploration, one name stands out: Elon Musk, the man who made PayPal a household name. In 2002, while NASA grappled with the end of its shuttle program without a concrete plan for the future, Musk stepped up to the plate. He, along with a small team of 300 employees, embarked on a journey to do what NASA, with its 18,000 employees and numerous subcontractors, struggled to achieve. This video explores how Elon Musk succeeded where NASA faced challenges and what lessons we can learn from his remarkable journey. One of the keys to Elon Musk's success was his ability to plan for endurance. Unlike those who assumed everything would go smoothly, Musk knew that success would require careful consideration of failures and setbacks. He realized that a long-term vision, a lack of viable alternatives, and a motivated buyer, in this case NASA, were not sufficient on their own. He understood that innovation on a massive scale would require a learning process, and he had the financial backing to support it. The willingness to embrace failures and screw-ups as part of the development process set the stage for SpaceX's ultimate success. But more importantly, Elon Musk's prowess as a sales master played a pivotal role in building support for his ambitious space project. Beyond raising capital for his personal investment, he used his skills to recruit seasoned space program managers, many of whom were initially skeptical but eventually signed on. Musk also worked tirelessly to recruit allies and secure launch clearances. However, when it came to running the actual operations, Musk exercised careful control. He simplified and standardized designs, maintained a small and efficient production team, managed inventory meticulously, and focused on equipment delivery rather than manned flights. This deliberate approach allowed him to mitigate the risks associated with large-scale initiatives, ensuring the success of his grand vision. While politicians overseeing NASA often kept goals vague and commitments safe, Elon Musk took a radically different approach. He declared from the outset, "I will never give up, and I mean never." This unwavering commitment to the mission set him apart. Musk was not obsessed with safety at all costs, as NASA's history of shuttle disasters demonstrated. Instead, he was fixed on achieving results. He put his entire net worth, a substantial $165 million earned from PayPal, into the SpaceX project. When that ran out, he fearlessly sought funds from anyone willing to listen. He was willing to risk it all, even his own financial security, to make SpaceX work. This level of determination and courage was key to his success. In the world of space exploration, setbacks are an inevitable part of the journey. On a bright day in Texas, the world watched with bated breath as SpaceX's colossal Starship rocket embarked on its first flight test, only to end in a spectacular explosion. While some might perceive this as a failure, experts argue that it's a prime example of a successful failure formula that Elon Musk's SpaceX has mastered. In fact, the fiery disintegration of Starship might just be the catalyst needed to accelerate the development of this revolutionary vehicle. The Starship's ill-fated flight was indeed a sight to behold, with images of the rocket tumbling uncontrollably in the sky, eventually meeting its fiery demise. SpaceX admitted that several of the Super Heavy's 33 powerful Raptor engines malfunctioned during ascent, and the critical separation between the booster rocket and the Starship didn't occur as intended. It was a dramatic and unexpected turn of events that dominated headlines and left many wondering about the future of this ambitious project. However, in the face of adversity, SpaceX executives, led by the visionary Elon Musk, celebrated the test flight's major accomplishment, getting the Starship off the ground. They highlighted that even in apparent failure, there were invaluable lessons to be learned and data to be gathered that would push the development of the Starship to new heights. SpaceX's remarkable success in the space industry is not just about luck or big dreams. It's a story of how they do things differently by making rockets that are smart, cost-effective, and can be used over and over again. In the past, launching rockets was a super expensive affair. Every time a mission happened, a whole new rocket had to be built from scratch, costing a lot of money. SpaceX decided to change this old way of doing things. They had a brilliant idea. Why not create rockets that can be used more than once? This simple idea turned out to be groundbreaking, and it drastically cut down the cost of going to space. The main rocket that shows this new approach is called the Falcon 9. This rocket is built with the idea of reusability at its core. It has a special first stage that can come back to Earth, land upright like a skyscraper, and then be made ready for more missions. This smart design not only makes launching stuff into space cheaper, but also gives us more chances to explore beyond our planet. Before SpaceX came along, rockets were like one-time use items. You fired them off and they were gone. But with the Falcon 9, it's like having a reusable car. You don't throw it away after one drive. You fill it up with fuel and off you go again. This is a huge deal because it's like having a car that you can use for thousands of trips, which saves a lot of money in the long run. By making rockets that can be used multiple times, SpaceX has made space travel more affordable. It's like turning a super pricey adventure into something that more people can enjoy. This isn't just about sending satellites into orbit. It's also about making missions to the Moon and Mars much more doable. The Falcon 9 rocket is a real game changer. It's not just efficient, it's also reliable. This means we can do things in space with a lot more confidence. It's a bit like having a trusty old car that never lets you down, except it's a rocket. SpaceX's approach to space travel is like a breath of fresh air. They've made it clear that you don't need to spend tons of money to reach the stars. You can do it smartly, efficiently, and without breaking the bank. Thanks to SpaceX, the dream of exploring other worlds has become much more attainable, and the future of space travel is looking brighter than ever. SpaceX's commitment to cost-effectiveness doesn't stop at reusability. They have streamlined their manufacturing processes, adopted lean engineering principles, and incorporated cutting-edge technology. By reducing waste and optimizing operations, SpaceX has made space launches more affordable and accessible. This has not only attracted commercial customers, but also positioned SpaceX as a competitive option for governmental space agencies. The cost-effectiveness of SpaceX's rockets has had a cascading effect on the space industry. It has compelled traditional players to reevaluate their approaches and sparked innovation across the board. SpaceX's ability to lower launch costs has opened up opportunities for small satellite companies, universities, and research institutions that previously couldn't afford space access. SpaceX's innovative and efficient rocket designs have given them a competitive edge. Their ability to offer cost-effective solutions while maintaining high reliability has made them an attractive choice for satellite deployment, resupply missions to the International Space Station, ISS, and even planned missions to Mars. Their growing list of successful launches and missions serves as a testament to the effectiveness of their approach. As SpaceX continues to innovate and refine its rocket designs, the future of space exploration looks promising. Their ambitious projects, like the Starship, aim to take humans to Mars and beyond. SpaceX's relentless pursuit of efficiency and cost-effectiveness will be crucial in realizing these grand visions. They're not just changing the way we access space, they're shaping the future of interplanetary travel. In conclusion, SpaceX's success can be attributed to its audacious decision to rethink traditional rocketry and its relentless pursuit of innovation and efficiency. By introducing reusability, streamlining manufacturing, and offering cost-effective space access, they have transformed the space launch landscape. SpaceX's innovative blueprint serves as a beacon of hope for the future of space exploration, making it more inclusive, affordable, and exciting than ever before. If you found this cosmic journey as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.